This is Patience and her two little chicks. They learned something from Patience, that you can leave the nest and let the eggs cool off more than we thought, and then come back and they'll still hatch. So she would have probably have more chicks if I hadn't taken some of those cold eggs away. So she hatched these after they got pretty cool. At the end I thought, okay, you keep them. They hatched, usually you expect them to hatch on day 21. One hatched on day 22. I was just approaching her and saying, if you don't get any eggs today, that's it. And I looked in and she had a chick. And then the next chick hatched on day 23. Patience is a buff Wyandotte. I'm not sure yet what the chicks are. Patience, where'd your babies go? Huh? There's one. Hiding under Patience. Let's see where the other guy went. Whoop, inside. Looking now, it's outside. Oh, didn't know they could fly that much. Yeah, Patience. She's a very protective mom. At night, she takes the chicks underneath this little structure in the corner here. It's open on the left side. And they crawl in under Mama Patience. And in the hands of Tot, Curie Cat, who was interested in the chicks. But she just better not. Yeah. They taught you, didn't they? Huh?